how to close your Cashplus account and transfer balance. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply pay off any overdraft and transfer your balance to zero. So like I said, all you need to do is get to the application, and in here you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to transfer out all of your balance and make it zero. So after doing that, now we can finally call the customer service. You can either dial the number, or you can reach their Cashplus support. You can simply get that through online. All you need to do is do a simple Google search and you'll be able to find their number or their help support. So after doing that, here what are we going to do is confirm the security questions in order to authorize the permanent closure, and that is all you need to do. So they might ask you a personal question about the confirmation of your account, and that's all. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.